4, 3.
Welcome to IR Insight Live. I'm your host, Will Briganti. We're here at the Wynn Las Vegas, Nasdaq-listed Wynn, at the 2018 National Investor Relations Institute Annual Conference. Joining me as my guest is Dennis Alvarez from Nasdaq IR Solutions. Dennis, thanks for being here.
Yeah, it's good, man. It's hot today.
It is hot today. What is
107.
But it's a dry heat. It's a dry heat. All right. So now, not only is the temperature hot, but this conference seems to be pretty hot.
This conference is jumping.
And so is the Nasdaq booth. So you've obviously met with a bunch of clients and other professionals from the investor relations industry. What are some of the key questions or themes that you're hearing in those meetings?
The main theme that's resonating with people that have come to the booth, I mean, we've had micro caps, large caps, mega caps, European companies, Asian companies, U.S. companies come by. They're all trying to get around navigating, the corporate access post-MiFID II environment. How do I meet investors? How do I get coverage? How do I fund and actually go out and do the circuit with the institutional investment crowd? Nice.
Now, what are some of the solutions that you're talking about then? Because again, this is not a one-size-fits-all approach, right?
No. We obviously have a couple solutions that can help companies. They come through our corporate advisory products, specifically our SCI, or referred to as targeting, but strategic capital intelligence. We work with every company on an individual basis. Obviously, a small cap company is going to have a much different set of problems meeting institutional investors from, say, a mega cap or a large cap. So we look at all the different factors, liquidity, coverage, where the company is in its life cycle, management's ability to actually get out and meet investors as opposed to staying in and running the company. So, we really get into each company's unique set of hurdles and kind of tailor an approach.
Dennis, I really appreciate that quick take on what's going on here at NIRI.
No problem.
Thank you so much. And I would imagine activism's also coming up. Activism, ESG, right?
Yeah. Activism, I don't know if you folks at home have seen, we debuted a new product component today. So we have the Activist 360. Yeah. It's a quantitative analysis tool that shows how companies are susceptible to activism or not. It shows the areas of financial strength that activists have historically gone after. So
terrific.
Good product.
Dennis, I appreciate that quick update. Thank you so much for joining us here on IR Insight Live.
Stay cool out there.
All right, stay cool, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. We're going to have more updates here from the NIRI 2018 Annual Conference live here from the Wynn Las Vegas, Nasdaq-listed Wynn. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm your host, Will Briganti. Thanks so much for joining.
Cheers.
Have a good one.